6 reasons why sugar is bad for you. Most healthy food products contain natural sugar, including vegetables, dairy products, and fruits. This sugar makes the food sweeter and more palatable. There are also other nutritional values of sugar. However, there is another type of sugar, like the ones added to cereals, drinks, and cakes. These are called added or free sugar. They not only have zero nutritional value, but can also cause health issues. How much sugar is right for you? According to research, most adults in the U.S. consume 17 teaspoons of sugar daily. This makes for 14% of the total calorie intake. This amount of sugar is too high and can lead to chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes, and is one of the leading causes of obesity. The World Health Organization, WHO, recommends that only 5% of our daily calories should contain sugar. In general, the recommended amount of grams of sugar for adults and children are as follows. Adults should consume only about 30 grams of sugar, approximately 7 cubes per day. Kids between 7 to 10 years should have no more than 24 grams of sugar, about 6 cubes per day. Children between 4 to 6 should only consume 19 grams of sugar, approximately 5 cubes per day. Why should I avoid sugar? There are many dangers and risks of consuming too much sugar, including the following. 1. Causes increase in glucose level. Studies show that unstable blood sugar can cause headaches, fatigue, and mood swings. Hence, eating meals high in refined or added sugar will cause blood sugar to be irregular, thus increasing mood swings and tiredness. Similarly, consuming meals low in sugar will stabilize your blood sugar, improving your energy level and mood. 2. Increases the risk of obesity and diabetes. Food rich in free sugar can spike the body's blood sugar, leading to an increased risk of diabetes and obesity. According to research, there's a direct link between high glycemic diets and different types of cancer, often due to the free sugars working in the body. 3. Accelerates aging. Sugar can affect your body's composition, but beyond that, it can also accelerate aging as it causes the sagging of body parts and causes wrinkles. After sugar enters your bloodstream, it attaches to proteins. This isn't ideal as it causes the skin to lose its elasticity, leading to accelerated aging. 4. Causes tooth decay. Arguably, the most common side effect of sugar is tooth decay. When you consume sugar, it sits on your teeth and causes plaques, which can cause it to decay over time. Thus, brushing twice daily is advisable to remove curses and food particles that can lead to tooth cavities. 5. Can lead to heart diseases. Eating food high in sugar can increase the risk of heart disease. According to research, people who consume a lot of sugar are more likely to die from heart-related diseases than those who control their sugar intake. Another study reveals that carbonated drinks in particular can increase the risk of heart disease. This is likely because these drinks are high in calories, do not cause hunger, and thus reduce the intake of nutritious meals. 6. Increases stress. When stressed, the body switches to fight or flight mode, releasing many hormones. The same thing happens when the blood sugar is low. When you consume sugary food, your stress hormones compensate for the crash by increasing your blood sugar. This in turn leads to irritability and even anxiety. Types of added sugar to avoid. One way to avoid added sugar is to check the content of the meal before purchasing. However, it may be hard to tell sometimes. Here are some names of added sugar to avoid. Maltose, sucrose, dextrose, agave nectar, honey, molasses, corn sweetener, cane juice, crystalline fructose, high fructose corn syrup. Final thought. To live a more healthier and longer life, it's crucial to eliminate, or at least reduce added sugar intake. One of the most effective ways of doing this is to avoid processed foods and instead stick to whole meals. And when you purchase meals from the shelf, Check the ingredients to be sure there's no added sugar. All of these and more will help you reduce your sugar intake. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.